everyone, welcome back to a new video of Horilla. So in this video, let's see how we can create a new employee in Horilla. So for that, let's navigate to the employee module over here. And under the employee, we have the employees where we can view all the employees who are currently working in the company. So here we have the create option. By clicking on that, a new employee form appears where we can add the details to create the new employee. Here we can see that in the badge ID, a badge ID has been generated for the employee that we are creating. So here in the settings, we have the field to add the badge prefix. So here we have added the badge prefix, and according to that, a badge ID has been generated for the employee. So here we can see the badge ID that has been generated, and by clicking on the show over here, we can view the first and the last badge IDs that are in the company. And from here we can add a profile picture. We can edit the profile picture of the employee. Let's add a file. So we have added a profile picture for the employee, and now let's fill out all the other details. So first we have to give the name and the last name, Anthony. And we have to provide an email of the employee and a phone number. And let's fill out the address. You can give the country and select a state. Let's provide a city and a zip. We can add the date of birth of the employee over here. Let's go. And you can select the gender, the qualification, and experience. And then we have the field to add the marital status, the children. And we can provide an emergency contact for the employee. And emergency contact name, and then we have to give the emergency contact relation. Then we can give the is active. We can on the is active toggle for this employee and save the changes. Now we have to give the bank details of the employee that we are creating. So we can provide a bank name here. And let's give it the account number and the branch. And you can provide a bank code here and the bank address. We can give the country, the state, and the city, and provide the bank code over here. That is bank code 2, and let's save. So the employee details are being filled, and we have saved the settings, and now we can go to the employee and search for Mark. Here the employee has been added. That is, we have created the new employee Mark Anthony, and it has been added to the employee directory in Horilla. So this is how we can create a new employee in Horilla. Hope the concept is clear. Thank you for watching.